Picture this, you're a first-time homebuyer eager to take the leap into homeownership, but the market feels like a relentless uphill climb. You might even wish for the housing market to crash, thinking that you would finally get your fair shot. But what if I told you that that scenario is not only unlikely, but that the landscape ahead holds more opportunities than challenges? Today, we're diving into the future of home prices, what experts foresee for 2025, and what that means for buyers, sellers, and our broader economy. Let's address the elephant in the room. Will home prices crash in 2025? The short answer is no. The housing market is resilient, and experts agree that a significant downturn is not on the horizon. In fact, home prices are expected to continue rising, albeit at a more moderate pace than in recent years. This year, home prices hit record highs, with the median resale home price reaching $407,200 in October, a 4% increase year over year. Despite this, there's a silver lining. Wage growth is now outpacing home price growth for the first time since the pandemic. That's good news for buyers, as it means your income is catching up. So, what are the forecasts for 2025? Let's take a closer look at predictions from leading organizations. Realtor.com projects a 3.7% growth in home prices, citing limited inventory and strong demand. Sellers may still hold the upper hand, but buyers will find a less competitive market as mortgage rates temper demand. Bright MLS forecasts a 3.1% increase, driven by an anticipated rise in for sale listings. More inventory means less pressure and competition for buyers, leading to slower price growth. Fannie Mae predicts 3.6% growth, maintaining their outlook despite revising their mortgage rate forecast to a higher 6.3% by the end of 2025. The National Association of Realtors is more conservative, expecting just a 1.8% rise to a median price of $410,700. These projections paint a picture of steady, moderate growth. It's a shift from the frenzied market of the past few years to something more sustainable. While the national trend points to rising prices, regional variations are inevitable. In some areas like Memphis and Austin, prices are already cooling due to increased housing supply. Builders ramped up construction in these markets, and the resulting inventory surge has softened prices. This is an important reminder. Real estate is local. Understanding your specific market conditions is key to making informed decisions, whether you're buying or selling. Now let's zoom out and consider the bigger picture. Policies, both domestic and global, will play a critical role in shaping the housing market. For instance, tariffs on building materials could raise construction costs, increasing prices for new homes. Did you know framing lumber alone could add $17,000 to the cost of a new house? And that's before we factor in labor shortages, which are exaggerated by immigration policies. In 2023, immigrants made up over 25% of the construction workforce, and stricter immigration measures could lead to further labor shortages, driving up costs even more. On the flip side, removing regulatory barriers to new construction could help alleviate supply constraints, offering some relief to buyers. What does this mean for you? So, how should you navigate this evolving market? For buyers, the days of runaway bidding wars may be behind us. Focus on understanding your local market and leverage wage growth to strengthen your purchasing power. For sellers, while demand remains strong, pricing your home competitively will be key as buyers become more selective. For policymakers and industry leaders, balancing supply and affordability is crucial. Addressing labor shortages and removing barriers to new construction can help stabilize the market. The housing market of 2025 is shaping up to be one of steady growth and evolving dynamics. While challenges remain, they are paired with opportunities. Opportunities for incomes to catch up, for inventory to grow, and for the market to stabilize. So whether you're buying, selling, or simply observing, remember, the housing market isn't just about numbers. It's about people, families, and communities. By staying informed and proactive, we can all find our place in this dynamic landscape.